Alright guys, we're installing the fender. Yay. Okay, so to install the fender, we need to do a bunch of stuff. I hope this is recording. Yep, this is recording. So, we're gonna start off by removing the little bolt. This bolt right here. Nope, I might have to remove it itself by, what's it called? By hand, but I'm too lazy to. Question mark? Nope. So right now this is what I'm trying to do today, what to do with my evening, because I'm bored. Yay, that fit. Okay, it's 5/16. Still recording. That's excellent. Okay, hold, I'm not tightening this shit. No, I'm loosening it up. Okay. We're removing. Oh man. So it's not being cranked. It's not doing me a crank. Guess that's normal. Remove the bolt. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah, so my dad might have to get a new plastics, because it won't match with the green. So, yeah. The bolt's not on. I think this is the most work I'll ever have to be on a bike. But no, like, this is one of the most this is the piece my dad trusts me the most on moving, because my dad doesn't trust me on doing anything. He's my mechanic, no motocross, etc. Enduro, whatever he forgot to do. Just in general, he's my mechanic. He's been my mechanic since day one. Oh, I might have to take a picture of that to show my papa. It's so greasy. Not greasy, oily. Fuck. I haven't been able to talk lately. I hope you guys can see everything I'm doing. Like, see. Look at that shit. It's burnt right through it. Okay. I'm gonna put that on my pants. Hope it's the same size. Oh, that shit's loose. Oh, it's loose. You got a bolt in the back. Yeah, you got a bolt in the back. Okay, let's go get something so that bolt could be held in place. Will you fit? No, you're too big. You're too fat. Will you fit? Oh. What's that? Oh, that's an 11mm bolt. Let's go. Oh shit. One of the worst mechanics in my family. I'm the one that doesn't know so I'm gonna have to get used to it. Start yourself in fate. Another illusion. I don't think it's fate. So, just trying to remember this right now. Holy shit, how long is the bolt? The boat. Yeah, I don't have time and patience to do this. That's the problem, because you're too big, fat ass. Some of these are big, man. Really should take your time, man. Take your time. I think we're just gonna leave it. No, I'm not gonna. I think we should legalize dirt bikes and e-bikes, because we're just trying to have fun, etc. Because do you think we're having fun with all these cops on our ass? No, we're not. And we don't really like that. It's not fun. At least it isn't fun for me. Because I've to always be worried about there being a cop, or have to look out for a cop. You know, we're just gonna go in there. Ain't no way this bolt is too big. try this one. Slightly bigger. Yeah, that still doesn't fit. Could you fit? I doubt it. How the okay. What is this? 7/16. That shit. Holy shit. I'm one of the worst mechanics, so this is how to put on a fender. Slowly coming apart. Yeah, here you go. This is just somebody else like stink. It's I say like a lot. I need to stop saying like. I don't like saying like. The fuck, I just said it again. Okay. Oh, where is this? Oh. I think those bolts are supposed to go though. Okay, yeah, I didn't do that. I didn't do any of that. That wasn't me. Installed a new fender so it could look sexy again. There we go. Yay, okay. Okay, I think we might have to run. Holy crap. That's not good. Wow, Dad. Well, we bought this off some guy on Facebook. So, I'll mess with that some other day. I think I need to put a bolt in there so it can stop moving. But, right now, that's the least of my concerns. My main concern right now is trying to get this thing on peacefully without breaking anything. Okay. Hope you guys are learning something, because I'm not. My hands are oily. Where'd it go here? And of course, me being the tard that I am, to get a smaller bit. Alright, so to prove that you guys actually watch this video or something, and you guys actually watch my content, comment Omar the Tard. It's looking sexy. Okay, now let's put this on. She's from Texas, you can tell. Yeah. She's from Texas, you. There we go. Don't mind the camera if it's a little bit tilted. I need to get a GoPro. Uh-oh. Yo, I'll buy somebody's GoPro off of them for $5. Nah. I genuinely need a GoPro, and if you guys are selling one, I'll take it. Like, no joke, I'll actually take your GoPro. If it works, not. I have people that work on that stuff. Technology. Why am I sweating? I'm not supposed to be sweating on such a light job. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, there's the fender. That's how to put on a fender. Let's just put the seat on real quick again, and so I could finish recording this video. And get my fat ass out of here. Other shit like Chicago and summer. Why the fuck are the holes not lining up? Yo, fuck. I don't know. Hey, Bench, I need your help. Okay, they're lined up. I love that shit. Nope, don't tread following. Okay, so now I'm done there. Now I gotta deal with this little shit. This shit show. Okay. Starts taking real sweating. Tasting real good. I'm a bitch ass. She's in Texas. I've had that song stuck in my head a lot. The Texas song, like, she's from Texas. Okay, it's on. All right.